here again, and today we're in beautiful sunny Florida. We're here today to help out our friend install her Ring Doorbell Elite. This is the Elite model, video doorbell Elite, and we're gonna unbox it first, and then I'm gonna walk you through on installing the doorbell. So right now we're gonna unbox it and see what the parts are inside. There goes the doorbell itself, doorbell lid, and inside it would be the frame. If you have a junction box, you probably won't need this, but if you don't, then this is the where you're gonna plug this in. It goes like this actually. So this one goes first on the wall. You make a cut on the wall, right? And then after you do that, you put this in here like that. And you get that one. And this is the power converter. Okay, converter kit, power kit. They call it power kit. So this is where you would plug the Ethernet cable in the power, and then it converts the Ethernet, power over Ethernet. Okay, and now you got the install tools. Install tools, you would have these kits, screw kits, screw sets. Yeah, and you get the screws in here, right there. Okay, and then you got the face plates. And this comes with 3 face plates. There's a white, there's a silver, and there's a black face plate. Okay, and we also have the Ethernet connection kit, which is the power cable. This one you would attach it to the power kit, right? And there are various kinds of international adapter for electricity for your adapter. Several different kinds, international, right? You would choose the one that fits your country, which in ours would be the 120 volt, 110, 120. This is this one. So you would adapt it on here, insert it here, as such, like that. I don't know if you can see that. Like this, and that's that. That's it, right? So those are all the power cable adapter, and there's a instruction kit here. Right. And in here you got the Ethernet cable. One would be the 50 feet cable, which you would run a drop to your wiring closet, and then the other end goes to the where you're gonna attach the doorbell, the Ethernet doorbell, the Ring doorbell. Okay. You don't necessarily need to use this if you already have, like me, I already have an Ethernet cable. This is an RJ45 Ethernet cable. You can use a Cat5 or Cat6. So I don't know what's this one. Either one, Cat5 or Cat6, you can use Ethernet RJ45 cable. And this is the one you would attach to your power kit, right? So one goes to the router, and the other one, this one, goes to the doorbell, right? So you got one on the doorbell, and one end goes to the router, right? With this. All right. So basically, that's it, right? So let me show you everything that we got. So we got this. This is the power kit Ethernet power over Ethernet, and another cable 50 feet. The doorbell itself. If you have a junction box, you don't need this. This is optional. Power inverter, power kit, the adapter, power adapter, the tools, and different kinds of AC, different kinds of adapter for your power. And there's the tools and some screws that you would need. And basically that's it. Okay, now we're gonna do the installation, and follow me there and we do the installation. Okay. This is optional. If you have a junction box already there, you don't need it, but we're gonna put this. It's provided with your kit right over here. Okay, so now I'm just tightening it up to make sure that's right in place. It doesn't move. Okay, if you remember that we have a 50-foot cable RJ45, which is colored orange, right? But instead of using that, we use our own here. And this one, we fish it all the way to go to the wiring closet. And if you notice these two wires here, the red and white, this is coming from the doorbell. The doorbell, it goes to the transformer, and so you need to turn off your electricity first from your switch box. So turn it off first before you work on this, because that's live wire right there, so it goes to your transformer. The doorbell, when you're wiring your doorbell, you don't go directly to the switch box, to the control panel. You don't do that directly. You have to go first to the transformer, and then the transformer goes to the switch box. So now right now this is the doorbell, right? And we're gonna install the ring central right now. Ring doorbell. Okay, if you notice here, there's like a 2 slots. You can use either or. It doesn't really matter. Like you can use the white here, you can use the red here. It doesn't really matter. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We put inside one there, and then one inside here. And if you notice, there's a screw there. There's a tiny screw. So we're gonna screw it in there. Okay. We do this one first. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So you do it like a clockwise to tighten it up. Okay. Do the same thing on the other one. Takes a while. You use the screw that comes with your ring doorbell. It's a very tiny screw in there. Tighten it up. And make sure it doesn't come out. It doesn't come out, so we're good. Now this here is the cat either you can use either Cat 5 or Cat 6. It's RJ45 Ethernet cable, right? It's gonna have the power over Ethernet using the power kit provided by RENE. Now we're gonna put it here. Remember, this one's like you have the 50-foot cable, which is the orange cable, but we didn't use that. Instead, we run our own here. Okay, so now that's it. Basically, just plug in the Ethernet cable here. This one runs to your wiring closet, which is gonna go to your power kit, and then power kit goes to your router. And this is the doorbell. Okay, as I said, it doesn't matter red or white. There's no, it's not specific upon the orientation there. Okay, let's start here. Okay, it's tight, and that's basically it. So now we're gonna install it here. The faceplate is inside already. This is the one that provided by RENE. So it has basically 4 faceplate. Earlier I was showing there's a 3 faceplate. Apparently there's a 4th faceplate that's already installed, and if you noticed here, there's a screw there, right? So we're gonna release that. So there's 3 faceplate included in the box, and then 1 is already installed here. So we're gonna swap it and use the same tool that was provided by RENE. Take this out here. Quite flimsy. Okay, be careful on this set screw. Very, very small. Okay, if you can see that, very tiny one. So be careful. Okay, if it dropped, then you would lose it. And now that you got that out, now you can open it, and here it is where you're gonna screw it. Okay, so basically you got 4 faceplate. Earlier when I do the unboxing, I showed you 3 faceplate, but there's the 4th one is here. It's already attached to the doorbell. We're really gonna screw it in here. Right, and screw it here too. Okay, before we put the cover on, like you can choose any of the cover that you have, right? For this particular one, we're gonna use the black one. We're not gonna put it in here yet because we're gonna do the application. You would scan this on you do the app on your computer, on your cell phone. Install the app, and then after you install the app, you would scan this to install the app, right? And then configure everything. So basically we're done here in this part, and we're gonna go up. I'm not gonna put this one here yet, right? We're gonna go up to install the power kit. Okay, so now after we install the doorbell, we go back to the circuit board, right? Remember that I told you that you have to turn it off. Now we're gonna turn it back on. So the electricity, everything would come back on, and you would have also the doorbell going in there. So turn it back on. So all the lights are on, and go up and follow me. Okay, now we're in the wiring closet. Make sure that your modem is up. So we waited for a while until the modem is up. You see power, online, voice, and the router is up. Okay, so the router and the modem is up and running, and we need the device that we need to activate that doorbell. We need the power kit, the RENE power kit, and we need the adapter, power adapter, and we need that US power adapter, the 110 120, and then the cable that goes with the power kit, and this would provide the power over Ethernet. Okay, so we're gonna do this one now. Right, okay, it says here internet in, so your router is gonna go in there, right? RENE device is where the drop would be, so we're gonna put this here, Ethernet in, right? Internet going to the router, right? So at the back of your router, use one of the port there and plug it in. And now this one goes to says ring device. So we look for the drop that we made earlier. So this is the going to the doorbell, the Ring Elite doorbell on the front door. So you're gonna plug it in here, okay? Now we need the power, which is this one that we use the US 110 adapter. Plug into your outlet. Now this plug into your outlet. You put the power over here, and this will provide power over Ethernet on your Ring doorbell. I kept saying Ring Central, Ring doorbell. And clean up your closet, or closet. And that's about it. Now we're gonna go down to check the doorbell, if everything works. Follow me. Okay, so now we're down here. After we plug in that power over Ethernet, the power kit, you see the light going around like that. So we're gonna try first before we do the application, the apps, right? The apps you can install on your iOS or on your Android device on your smartphone. But right now we're gonna test first if everything. So that's how you see there's the doorbell is like responding. Okay, so now we're gonna install the app. Scan this. We're gonna do the application, the apps on your Android, and then after you install the app, we're gonna choose set up device. You choose a doorbell. So after we configure the apps, right, on your smartphone, now we're done, right? So basically we're just gonna cover it, right, like here, such, and just snap it, right? After you snap it, there is like a small set screw that we took out earlier. Now we're gonna put it back in down here. This is supposedly so your Ring doorbell won't be stolen.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
Okay, so now it's secured and your Ring doorbell is all set and ready.